Hi everyone. If you've been feeling a bit round-shouldered, or you've got class members that feel a bit round-shouldered, I've become obsessed recently about finding as many different exercises for the posterior chain, the back of the shoulders, rhomboids, trapezius, that we can use in classes really easily, and having a posture focused week across whatever you teach, whether it's Pilates, strength, if you've got LBT, anything, you can add, it's like balance, you can add some additional exercises, just really simple, and they make a massive difference. Also, if you have got an online program, why not have a posture focused week where again you focus on really rebalance or addressing the imbalances between the anterior chain and the posterior chain. I'm also loving from Pure Energy this mix. It's not brand new, but it's great to do these types of classes. This is Lit 8 and I'm using the flow, so it's 120 BPM. When I've just taught a class with it, we did it, the longer one, the 120 flow. Good morning, Sam. Good morning, YouTube. I'm actually going to do a whole YouTube class of this later today. So if you don't subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe and then you'll get it. You'll get the premiere when it links. Just put, if you want me to signpost you to the YouTube, just put in the comments YT and then I'll send you the details. And also, I've done a few mini reels. They're like 20 seconds, 30 seconds with key exercises that you can do. So if you want me to link you to those, again, just comment yes, and then it will just link you to some of those quick ones so you can save them, and they're exercises that you can just do. The thing with Facebook now is this video will delete after 30 days, so you might forget the exercises. So definitely follow me on YouTube or comment yes and I can show you the video. Now I'm going to use a mini ball this morning, but you don't have to. And I'm just going to use a 60 second. So if I go down on the mat, let me know that that looks okay, sounds okay. Just going to use the mini ball underneath the sternum here. Let's do a couple of simple exercises first. So bringing the legs together. Oh, I love this square exercise. We do it a lot in fitness Pilates. So let's do a lift, a reach, pull, and then lower. So we have one plane moving on. Now again, this is just 60 seconds, but you can add some variations. You could lift, extend, up, move forward, lift up and lower down. So you can put them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, down. That's a nice little combination. Out and in, forward and back, out and in, and lower down. And then just finish off the minute and try some single work and then double. So the neck is relaxed. And then you can finish with that combination. Lift, out, in, reach forward, and then lower. Now on the 30 seconds, that gives you an opportunity to have a really nice stretch there. You can move into a cat stretch. You can come up, move back into shoulder stretch, chest stretch, and then you're ready to go again. Good morning, Jan. How are you? Hope you're well. So that's one little combination you could try. A really simple one that I've been using a lot. If you start with both arms, my head is off the mat. I'm just going to reach around and touch above my bottom. So there, getting my legs together. So let's just try that now. Pop down onto the floor and give that a little go. You could put a cushion underneath your chest. Now if we change that and go for one arm and then the other arm, I've just done a lot of these, I'm feeling it. So there, which is nice. You can put some combos together. So you can go 4, 3, 2, one more, and then go back with your one arm at a time. So one arm's coming down, one arm's coming up, fingers are together, and then both arms out, thumbs up, and then squeeze back. Fabulous. Again, you definitely need a stretch. So head down, stretch the back, roll up, and then take your arms back. So then 2 nice exercises to try. Let's take the ball away. Again, really simple. Head down. So you're going to prop yourself up onto your elbows, and then all we're going to do is the elbows come back and then touch the floor. Now I've extended here, so there's a lot of pressure on the lower back. So that might not be for everybody. Just depends. So keeping the head and shoulders up. You could do this with the ball as well if you need that extra support. Okay, get the scaps together. Now come all the way down. Take your left arm forward and then rotate one side back. So again, I'm pushing down with this left hand. My aim is to push the right hip, the opposite hip down. And try that on the other side. Push the hip down and then rotate back. So I know these are really simple, but so effective. You can do them in all classes, all ages will benefit, all posture types, and you can just keep going on with so many to do. And then if I go back to my elbows, do singles. There, one more. Good. And then just come up, lower back stretch, curl the toes, and then let's come up. Let me know what you think. The little reels that I've done have had a lot of views, loads of people have commented. So I think it's something that it's so helpful, just little reminders that you can do, add them into classes and have a focus. You don't need any equipment. Yes, I've used a ball today, but you don't have to. You could do it with just a pillow. So let me know what you think. If you want a link to the workout, just comment YT and that will take you to a YouTube link. If you would like to go to the little reels that I've created with all of the exercises on, and I'll upload another one later, just comment yes, and then the bot, so clever this is, the bot will then send you the link and then you can click on and go straight through it and have a look. But yeah, and let me know, would you like to see more posture work? I think it's an absolute given for all of us as fit pros to do more posture work and make sure that the back of the shoulders, posterior delts, rhomboids, trapezius, everything is nice and strong. And you can build some fantastic programs around that concept. All right, let me know. What have I got this week for you? What have I got this week? Oh, mega week. We've got Fitness Pilates Reformer online training. Well, I'll be here. You won't be here. You'll be on Zoom. Thursday, we've got the first full day hot. Yay! I'm so excited about that. The hot training. So I've created a lovely studio next door, which has got the infrared, and I've just had the Dyson humidifier, not dehumidifier, humidifier. That is a game changer with the heat. It's the most, I wished I'd bought this before. I do have allergies, and it just sort of purifies the air. It's when you walk now into the room, it's amazing. It was quite expensive, but it was in the Black Friday sale, but I'm really pleased with it. I've had it running for the last couple of days. Hi, Kerry. So that's on Thursday, the hot training. And then on Friday, we've got the content creation day on Friday, which I can't wait to do at Witchner. So we've got breakfast brunch, we've got Christmas lunch, and then we've got photos, pictures, videos. It's going to be a great day. There we go. More posture work. Well, Helen, we've got it coming as well, because we're going to do a full stretch, strength, mobility and fitness Pilates challenge for December. So it's all coming there as well. All right, gang, whatever you're doing today, have a lovely day. And hopefully I'll see you soon, and hope you found that inspiring today.